Ukiangalia hii choche inakaa graveyard ya matruck. But that's only half the story, bro. Some of these Isuzu and Mazda heads are waiting for owners. Others are being built, waiting for bodies. And some have been here for years. Look like this one. It needs a head. Ladies and gentlemen, this is episode 5 and today things are changing a little bit. Behind me is a lorry, you can see 80 kilometers per hour, and these lorries zinakuwa na shughuli until when zimechapa. Well, hizi lorries zinatumika sana kumove vitu from one place to another, na zinafika pahali zinachapa. Ever thought of that? Let's visit that place and see how they are doing and what it is ilifanyika ndio zikuwe hapo. Come, let's go. I am Raw Passport, and today we are heading inside one of the most fascinating truck garages I've ever visited to discover what really happens when the workhorses reach the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. Mimi ni nani ndani ya kirai one time tufike hii chuo. Hii ni choche nilicheki nikasema lazima ni document. Come with me, ladies and gentlemen. You've probably driven past hundreds of trucks like this without giving them a second thought. But have you ever wondered where they go when they are no longer on the road? Today I'm taking you to a place very few people ever get to see. A place filled with Isuzu truck heads lined up one after another. Some are waiting for a new owner. Some are having their bodies replaced. Wacha tutembe, because man, we are going to discover something. Right now, nimeshuka. I'm heading there. Can't wait. Something I want to know is what happened to them. Was it an accident, an engine failure, or did their owner simply walk away? Yani najiuliza maswali mingi sana. If you are there and you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you turn it on so that next time you're not left behind. Today I'm visiting this place. It is well known. Wase wengi wanapita that place every single day, but it got my attention. Kwa nini hizi vichwa zimewachwa? Once we get there, we'll talk to the people who know these trucks best, explore what really happens behind these giants ambazo zimelala, and uncover stories that most drivers never get to hear. If you are passionate about trucks, engineering, business, or simply love seeing places most people never visit, then this is Raw Passport. Juu niliona kuna ujenzi mob sana ina happen hapa Ngara. There's a lot of stuff happening here, ladies and gentlemen. And today we are unleashing something. I'm only a few steps away. Yes, right behind this gate is a place most people will never see. From the road, it looks like an ordinary garage on the other side, ndio tunaenda. But inside, hundreds of Isuzu truck heads tell very different stories. Some are here waiting for new owner, some are being rebuilt from the ground up. Others have been left behind collecting dust as time moves on. Ladies and gentlemen, walk with me. Tushafika choche. Wacha tutembe. Tuone ni aje majamaa. Sim hit subscribe. Hit subscribe. Tushafika majamaa. Hit subscribe. What do you see? Track heads. Vichwa tu. Buddha. Hapa ni vichwa tu maze. Wacha tutembe tuone ni aje. Ai. What do you see, ladies and gentlemen? Leave a comment. Inchi yenu kuna kwaga hivi. Wase wanaweza recycle vichwa. Yeah? Kichwa una replace one time. It's kind of funny. But this is the reality. Oh, look at this. I honestly wasn't expecting this many. Everywhere I turn, Isuzu heads. It's like they have all agreed to meet here today. Now, don't panic. They are not all dead. Some of these are for sale. Some are being repaired. Some are waiting for new bodies. And yes, a few have definitely retired without writing a resignation letter. But imagine if these trucks could talk. This one could probably say, "Boss, I climbed every hill in Kenya. Can I rest now?"
I understand hizi vichwa, they are on sale also. Kwa hivyo kama unatafuta kichwa hapo, they are on sale. I've talked to one of the guys na amekata ku open up. Mwambia the potential of this, but I guess until they see Ru passport at $1 million, don't understand. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. But I'll walk and see more. Come.
Look at this. Dust tells a story. Has it been here for weeks, months, years? We are going to find out, kwa sababu hii choche imejaa mdae mob sana ambazo zimechapa na ni vichwa mingi, si ati ni moja, zimepanga line moja kwa moja. What fascinates me is that every truck here once had a job. It carried food, cement, furniture, or fuel, maybe even something you've bought before. Without trucks like these, supermarkets stay empty. Construction slows down and business stop moving. So this place isn't just a garage. It's where old workhorses come for a second chance. Zinatengenezwa, zinapata mrekebisho, mambo safi inarudi kwa barabara. Now here is the challenge.
Ili kubani liban. Wali kuchomeka nini? Si kuchomeka? Juu hadi kichwa yake haina kichwa maze.
Mwenyewe ndiye aliamua kuwekelea kichwa kingine.
Aliamua kuweka kichwa kingine. Lakini naona zimechapa mbaya.
Alitoa mabati yote.
Maze ndio nimecheki. Sasa nataka iweke kichwa kingine.
Kama hii haina kila kitu, hapo mbele unaweza ingia. Steering wheel iko sawa.
Alafu cheki,
hapa ni mrekebisho tu kiasi.
Sasa kama hiyo nini yake inaweza cost kama how much? Wewe ni organizer.
Mimi tu ni mtu wa pande wa rangi tu.
Pande wa rangi.
Kuna sasa ule bodybuilder.
Ukisikia pale kuna bodybuilder, these guys rebuild machines that most people would give up on. Now this is interesting because zingine hazina hadi engine. You know, let's walk. Guys, let's see. This place has some beautiful stories. If you've never seen this before, it almost looks like the truck is waiting for the rest of itself to arrive. I know some of you clicked on this video thinking this was a truck graveyard. Well, you are only half right. Some trucks are ending their journey, others are getting ready to begin a brand new one. Kama unasikia hiyo mtu amenunua hata kuifix. aitengenezeshe. And that's why I am here. Not just to show you rows of trucks, but to understand the stories behind them. So stay with me. Mazi, ebu chiki, a petrol tanker without its head. Once it carried the fuel that kept towns moving. Today it can't even move itself. It's a powerful reminder that no machine, no matter how strong, lasts forever.
All these lorries as well, they survive without the heads. So, will you survive without the head? Make sure you leave a comment. Guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video if you are wengi, and also if you're watching from abroad, make sure you share with your family and friends. Let's grow together as we explore Africa. Until next time, adios.